I just wanted to show you guys how to create different users on Google Chrome. This is really helpful, especially if you have multiple children or siblings or your own personal accounts on the same laptop and you're all using Google Chrome. This can be problematic when, for example, your personal email is trying to open up something that's for GDOE and it's saying you don't have access. And sometimes it switches and we don't have control over that. So one easy way to manage that is to create different users. So you can see here that my user right now is my GDOE one. I want to go to my personal email, so in order to access those different users or different accounts, you're going to click on this button up here. This button up here shows me the different users in Chrome. So right here, this is my personal one, and then a demo one, and a guest. So you can also create a different one. So if you're going to make one for your different children or your siblings or your own personal, you're going to press add. Now when you go to add, it's going to ask you to write a name. So let's just say my name is Sarah. And Sarah's icon is going to be this cute butterfly. You're going to press add. And then you can make it your own. You can sign in with a Google Chrome user. I'm just going to press get started. You can look at the different apps that you want, or you can skip it. I'm just going to go ahead and press next. You can also pick a background. So right now it's white, but you can change it to whatever you want. Let's say I want to make it be art. So I'm going to click next. And then you're going to want to press continue to sign into your Google Chrome. So you're going to sign in with whatever email. So if it's your GDOE email, sign in with this and then press next. So from now on, if you want to go to your own browser, your user, you go back to that little button up here. You see the icon has changed. So now the icon shows that little butterfly, meaning that's Sarah's account. So if I wanted to go back to my teacher account, I'm going to go back to this one. And you can see that everything here is back to my stuff. So let's say I type in a tab up here and I want to go to YouTube. Or I want to go to my Google Classroom. So let's say I'm in my class. But then Sarah has an assignment to do, so I have to go to Sarah, and she has to go to YouTube to search for something. So all of Sarah's tubes will stay here, and when I go back to the teacher account, my tabs will stay there. So it keeps all of the tabs separate, and it only exits out if you exit out of that one, and then it's not there anymore. So you can create as many different users as you need to, and this eliminates the problem of trying to access something but it's accidentally going back to a different email, or it also doesn't make you have to sign in and sign out every time, so the chances of losing your password or your sibling messing with your password or accidentally changing something that they weren't supposed to, that gets minimized a lot. So I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.